Hello everyone, welcome to the Healthy Foodies channel, the best place for healthy nutrition tips and tricks and healthy recipes just like this one. If you are new here, consider subscribing to be a part of the family. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this super delicious bread and egg recipe. This is different from your regular bread and egg recipe, trust me. So I went on to pack my egg into a bowl and went on to prep my vegetables. So this is me cutting my onions into very tiny bits. I'll just be adding that into the egg mix, as you can see. And then I went on to prepare my spring onions, cut that into also very tiny bits. So I chopped it very finely. And was ready to add it to my egg mix as well. So voila, I added it into my egg mix. Went on to prep some leftover green peppers that I had. This green pepper was just a timely addition to this recipe because it turned out so yummy. And I prepped that and also added it to my egg mix. Went on to season the mixture with some seasoning powder, some salt, and of course pepper. If you're Nigerian, oh, this pepper is like a must for this recipe. You can use any other pepper of your choice, but I chose to use this red pepper. I went on to slice my bread. Guys, I went and got very fresh loaf of bread and it was difficult to cut through. So my advice is, if you get a fresh loaf of bread, you can put it in your refrigerator a day prior to when you want to make this dish so that it's a lot firmer when you want to cut. So you want to make like a square in every slice of the bread that you're going to. So even if you're using 20 slices of bread, you cut it the same way. Go ahead, grease your pan with some vegetable oil and then place the bread slice in it and pour in some of those egg mixture. Guys, I think I overdid this. You would see it much later in this video. I added too much of the egg mix and it made this particular slice of bread, the egg did not cook through like thoroughly. So you should avoid that in your own recipe. So I went on to add that other one we cut out from the center, added it on top, press it in, press it in, and then flip it over for it to cook evenly. I had to use this spoon because, like I said, the egg mix was too much in this particular one. So I allowed that to cook until it's brown on each side, and I just went ahead to repeat the same process, correcting my mistake as I went. Please do not make the mistake. I have made it on your behalf. I have paid the price, y'all. But this recipe turned out to be super delicious. I mean, it's a fresh way that you can make your bread and egg. Bread and egg is a Nigerian staple food, so you can go ahead to add, as you can see in this video, I went on to add some of those egg mix on top of the bread after adding that middle part because I needed it to shine. As you can see, I'm seeing chunks of the vegetables on both sides of the bread, and this particular slice was like the perfect one. So you want to do that for every one of your slices. So I had about 3 to 4 slices in total for my own recipe. You can try it and let me know in the comment section below. I came back from Lagos and noticed that there are bakeries everywhere. Every corner, every street you go to, there are bakeries. It means that a lot of Lagosians are eating bread. So this is a way to spice it up and make it taste super yummy for you and your entire household. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Until the next recipe, don't forget to nourish, flourish, and glow. Bye.